It's the last day, and Automatica is drawing to an end. But today we once again packed exciting innovations, robotics and everything for the production of tomorrow into our daily highlights. Here we go. Festo presents the first pneumatic cobot. The direct drives in the joints are more cost-effective and especially light. Heavy gears and expensive force torque sensors are unnecessary. Less is sometimes more. But if things do get a bit heavier, Knoll has just the right automated solutions. The stationary conveyor technology, with its driverless transport system, is specially designed for bulky and large goods. From 150 kilos up to several tons, no problem. If you don't yet know the products you want to produce tomorrow, what do? Together with Planar Motor, Siemens is making tomorrow's production even more flexible. With the Planar Motor system, we have a new way to move products in production. To make it all easily accessible to our customers, we need a common automation environment. And that's what we're creating here. The robot, the transport system and the entire automation runs here in the Siemens TIA environment. For 4 days, Service Robot City was the exhibition highlight par excellence. The range of applications is becoming ever wider. Health, hospitality, retail, work, inspection and monitoring. Service robots are becoming more and more firmly established in our world. And apparently some of them have already met their new robot colleagues here. Denso is presenting its new Cobotter Pro cobots. The models combine all the advantages of a collaborative robot with the performance of industrial robots. A new dimension for human-robot collaboration. Neura Robotics has a world premiere in Munich, the first 7-axis 35-kilogram payload robot. Perfect for palletizing. It's cognitive, that is, it can hear, see and feel, and it's full of artificial intelligence. Frequently changing tasks are no problem for it. Robotics and automation are being planned a long way ahead, and human and artificial intelligence are interacting. Our future is certainly going to be exciting. Our daily vision. The challenge will be that we really use these tools, because that's what they are, for what helps us and expands our possibilities for action and development. That's why it's so important for us to think about this in society. What lies at the core of our professions? And where do we want to remain as humans? What do we not want to delegate to AI, even if we could? And where are we going to let it take over? We look forward to seeing you again soon at Automatica 2025.